The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Barry, Dennis, Sally, guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Deepak, Salem, good to see you. Hey, man, I was just making sure that you could get in the room, that's all. Anthony, Michael, Onyx, guys, good morning. Good morning. Frank, good morning. Fellas, today is Thursday. It is January 19th. As a reminder, the room is closed tomorrow. I will not be in town. So today will be the last trade day of the week. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. I sent each of you an email that your trials will end next week. I'll also be out next Wednesday. My wife is having surgery, but trials will conclude next week, not today or tomorrow, because I will not be here. So in any event, guys, good morning. We're coming into another fairly decent sell overnight. I am expecting that we'll get a retracement. Good morning, Randy. John, good morning. I'm expecting we'll get a retracement here at some point. I don't think that our session is going, thank you, Ray, is going to want to be selling the bottom. So I'm expecting a bit of a retracement. In any event, good morning. Welcome. We had a decent day yesterday. I expect my problems to continue once the market opens with a freezing DOM. Not much I can do about it if I'm going to use Apex. Let's see where we're at right now, guys. Currently, NASDAQ's off 114, ES down 35 handles, YM off 278, EMD and Russell both down big. Gold is up about $3. Silver's down. I don't know why silver just does not want to catch up. Crude's off 56, 57, 58 cents. Natural gas is down again. Corn, beans, copper, everything down. Morning, Hubba. Bonds are up. Yields are falling a bit. Bonds are rising. Just looking at equities, Nvidia's down $4 in the pre-market. Tesla's down 3 and change. Goldman Sachs getting hit again, down $3. Netflix off 4 and change. LRCX off $7. So some pretty big numbers so far this morning. SPY is showing opening up down 3 and change at the moment. Yeah, I won't. Good morning, Cy. Ray, good morning. I will not be selling bottoms. You know that. I'll sit here. We just bounced off some hourly support and we're tagging it again. I expect it will break. I'll do what I do every day to start. ES has not taken a trade yet this morning. It is crude and natural gas inventory day. Hang on one second, guys. 1 second. It is crude and natural gas inventory day, so I ran the crude bots. I ran crude and I ran natural gas for a brief moment this morning. They will not run any longer today because of inventory. That is not a rule. It is just what I do. I have seen inventory days where crude takes 5 trades and they're all winners. I've seen inventory days where crude chops around and kills itself. So I elect not to trade on inventory days. Nonetheless, crude took a single trade. It's up $230. That's where it will finish for the day. Natural gas took 1 trade. I let it take this short. Got first target, pulled back into break even, and that will be done for the day, up $150. There will be no more trades on natural gas. YM has not taken a trade yet this morning either. So YM and ES, no trades. And NASDAQ is down 780. 780. So that's where we're at, guys, on the bots. What I'll do now is what I do every day. I'll read the disclaimer, and then we will look at charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Morning, Jock. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. First trade of the day on the YM. Guys, I'm going to get coffee. I'll be 1 minute. I'm back, guys. Go ahead, Salem. Let me take a look at gold. Okay, out on YM. Crude, going to get to that. It got to that 79 level. Let me look at gold, guys. No, by me. I would be long NASDAQ above 88, assuming I can trade. Yeah, above here on a 5 minute. Let's see here. What the hell is gold? Bum, bada, bum, 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 bum. Small buyers overnight. Heavy volume in the NASDAQ. ES looks like it may get a bid. '88's my line in the sand for the NASDAQ, guys. Gold looks like it may fail. Gold could pull back to VWAP, or we get a break up through 14.3. It goes long. On a 5 minute, it's trying to go long. Look at this on another chart. Yeah, I got us trying to go long 5 and 10 minutes. Hourlies are what's killing us. It traded to the top of the hourly cloud and failed. I don't think you can get above that 14.2. Yeah, that's cool, Mark. I mean, I've explained this to you many, many times, but I'll do it again. One, I'm not using the bots for the funded trader program. That's one. And it's in the email I sent. Two, if I were trading a funded account or an Apex account on the bots, do you think it's wise to trade during news? Just my 2 cents. We never trade during news. Never. I don't trade manually during news. I am not. So when you guys, so I explained this on Monday, and I'm going to say it again. I have a number of people in the room that joined for the funded trader group. They do not own the bot. They don't own it. Okay, so if you're trading the bot, which is cool, right? Then you're doing something different than me. And I laid that out in the email that I sent you and everybody else in the group. I can't be taking bot trades if I have, people that do not have the bot. Here's an ES long on the bot. I have people that don't have it. So if you want to trade, there's target one. So if you want to trade the bot, go ahead and do it. I wouldn't discourage it, right? But then you probably want to follow some guidelines. So you probably want to start trading the bot at 9:30. You definitely, and this is for everybody, you definitely do not want to trade the bot during news, right? Because I just got jacked around too. But I'm trading the bots on SIM accounts, individual SIM accounts. So I can track the bots and the totals and make adjustments when deemed necessary. It's the only way I can do it. But news is a big no-no. Now, I don't put any stock in continuing our initial jobless claims. It's just, for the most part, it's minutia. It's a made-up number. But in pre-market, all right, guys, I think I'm going to take one contract. God, this hourly is what's jamming me up. This has to go on the hourly. The daily is good. The 10-minute is close. It's the hourly that's kind of jamming us on gold. All right, buyers. Let me just take a look at. Morning, Magnus. This could be good at 9 o'clock. You got some sellers here. Buyers. All right, guys. I'm going to try a gold long right here. 14.3, 14.2 I got filled. This is a funded trader trade, or for the funded trader. One contract trade, 20 tick stop, 15 tick target, and it's going to have to push up through 15.3 to get us our target. We should get 15.8. If it pushes up through 3, it's going to get 8. It'll get target. It's failing the top of the cloud on the hourly, the 60-minute. And it could pull back to 11.5 on a 10-minute. I'm not going to give this much leeway, so I can always hit it again. It pushed out of the 10-minute cloud and failed the top of the hourly cloud. Out. I'm out, guys. Done. Not buying crude at the high of the day. That's not happening. $88 is where I like. NASDAQ is into some support here, and I think we're setting up for a pop long. If you look at a 15-minute, come on, seriously? Can have it. Done. I'm going to breakfast. I'm out. I'm going to breakfast. I'll be back, guys. 20 minutes. Both targets hit. Greg, thank you. All right, so guys, yes, you. Yes, it was Salem. Twice. So the long was when it came up through here, and you got target. It pulled back, came back up through, and you got the trade again. The interesting part is my Dom didn't freeze, which has never happened yet. All right, guys, they're buying them all back. So let's see if we can get a. We're going. This 450 is nothing here. I'll get this out of the way until the 5-minute close. That's 240-minute resistance. Eight seconds. Next candle. All right, new candle, 5-minute bar. Here's your support, 26. Let's see if we hold it. 13.5, I'll try a long. 13.5, I'm pending long 13.5. You gonna skip me, you rat bag? All right, I'm filled, 13.5. This has to hold here. Come on. Bounce. Come on. Target. Both targets hit and filled. You guys good? Guys? You guys understand that trade? Okay. Okay. Everybody got that? Okay. Is there anybody that missed that trade? All we're doing is trading levels, fellas. All right, now on the ES. Let's look at extra stupid. I could have taken that long there too on that pullback. I did not. I mean, I can't trade everything. Made account number one, move into second account. Stewart, my man. Okay. Support is now 20 on the extra stupid. That would be the ES for those of you guys that don't know how I feel about the ES. All right, Doug, up 1,300 across 5 accounts. Yeah, NASDAQ is definitely correct. Nice! We got another funded trader, guys. There's NASDAQ on target 1. Got target 1 and out. All right, Frank. So I'll show you whenever you guys get, all right, guys, we're still holding this area. On the next, this would be your entry right here at 32, 33. If you guys want to try that again. 33 long. Come on. No, not holding. I'll kill that trade momentarily. Get up there, you rat bag. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buyers. I got buyers, guys. I got 500 buyers here. Push up. Come on. Get ready to kill this trade, guys, in a second here. Now, it's still trying to push up. I'm on the close button. No, here we go. Come on. Ah, you rat bag. Come on, break out here. Go get targets, you dog. Let's go. Come on. All right, guys. Come on. ES got target on the bot. We got target 1. Target 2 hit. Boom! Second account up 500 bucks. Boom! ES got both targets on the bot. I was in that trade. You guys good? Even 500. Everybody good? You're done, Salem. All right, guys. Wait a minute. Who's Kieran? Is you got a funded account? Nice, guys. Let me know if you have funded accounts. Third account. Nice job. Let me know if you guys are funded when you send me an email. Okay. Look at this ES blowing the frig up. Blowing the freak up. I told you above 24 it was going. 5-minute close above VWAP, it was gone. 5-minute closes at 26. We're going back to 45, guys. Nice job, Brian. All right, fellas. That's 2 accounts for me, 2 accounts up. Now I got to go to older accounts and start trading those. Let's see here. Let's go back to that one. Start again. All right, back into support. Back into support. All right, so now I've got 5-minute support moving up. Let's take a look at a few things. Oh, there we go. I like SPX. We have a bot long on NASDAQ. I like this SPX for the gap fill to 25. We're getting 1 target only, guys. I like SPX for gap fill. We're long. 39.25 SPX calls. We should get 25. If we get above 25, SPX can go back to 44. Yep, I like SPX gap fill long. SPY, I like SPY's gap fill 391s. You could probably buy in the money's 390s. They're right there. I would buy tomorrow on SPY. And Qs, well, that was support. So there's your support on Qs. All right, let's go back to the crackhead. Here's ES. Here's your target on ES, 40. Your next target on ES is 39.40. We held support, and we're going back up. Gold is trying to break out of this resistance from yesterday. Those are not targets. Those were just out of the way. Natural gas, untradeable. Oh, that's on the 60-minute. That's why. All right. Let me see gas. Yeah, still nothing. Crude, push an hourly resistance here at 80.42. 39.25s on SPX. 39.25s. Got small. I need blue. Do I not have one? No, I don't. All right, NASDAQ back into VWAP with a small negative delta. All right, guys, new account. I would try this long here at 14. $15. I'm pending 15 on NASDAQ. 15. This is a clean account. And it's going to have to bounce quickly for me. Come on. I'm on the close button, guys. It's not bouncing. It's got to hold here. Come on, get back up there. I'm out. I'm out. Now we're coming down, I think. Back down into this zone here. We could come back to 91. We have support at 92.25. If we go back above VWAP, I'll be back long again. ES support is 20. It's got to hold 20. Nothing on gas. Crude is turning over a little bit. Gold is turning over a little bit. ES held 20 and bounced. ES held 20. Brainerd and Williams this afternoon. Send me an email, Robert. I don't have time when I'm trading to do education. I apologize. Could you send that to me in an email? This looks like this may break down again. If this breaks down here, below here, it will probably sell again. Come on. It's sitting on a pivot. That's what's preventing it, but I think we break down. Next area of support is 67. It's holding this pivot. I don't think it holds long. Well, maybe. The selling isn't egregious. If it breaks through that little swing here, I'll be short. It's holding that little swing. There's your short. 67 is some support. Come on. Come on. Come on. Break down. Give me first target. Come on. One more candle and that does it. Come on. Come on. Rat bag. Push. It came to that 66, 67 support. Come on. Fail. It's holding the bottom of a 2-minute cloud. That's it. Come on, dog. Come on. This push. Let's go. Come on. God dang it. It came close. 2 ticks. There it is. Target filled. Both targets filled. Both targets filled. Everybody good? Guys? Guys good? Okay. I think Greg said his level was 52. This could go a long ways. ES broke down again, coming back into support here at 16 now. Guys, there's not a ton of selling. I'm just, 52 is Greg's level. $47 though may stop this. 47. If you guys want to take a whack here at 52, you can. That is not my level. That's Greg's. We're actually in a buy zone here. I missed it. I should have been long 55. There's that 52 level. If this breaks, we're coming down to 240 at 36. It's holding hourly support. Nice job, Eric. You got your 500. You're done. Nice job. Got your 17 ticks on VWAP short on ES. 1 trade times 20. Nice job, Michael. Nice job, man. Nice job. I foobarred this, guys. I should have been long. I would go short below that 44, but there are no buyers. We're back up to 1,700 contracts. Let me hang on 1 second. That's resistance right there. I get rid of that. We went through that. Okay. I think she's coming down, guys. I think she's holding this small buy zone. we have 40 buyers. It's got going nowhere on 40 buyers. That I can tell you. Nowhere. This either finds a bid and gets back to 425 or is going to completely puke. I don't think there's any in between. I'm going to try. There's 3 minutes left. I'm going to try a short at 69.75. 69.75 short. There it is. Oh, you scumbag. Missed by about 3 ticks. Target 1 hit. Target 2 hit. You guys good? Guys, you good? Fellas? Anybody catch that trade? We're coming down, guys. We're coming down. Anybody catch that trade? I should have left a runner on. Okay. Some of you got it. Some of you missed it. It's still holding this buy zone, but there are no buyers. ES better get really well away from this 20 or else you're going up. Okay, Ricky. Don't forget to send me your totals, guys. ES is holding 20. That's not a good thing. Me personally, this is not an area I want to be short unless ES breaks below 14. Oh, NASDAQ on the bot. Another one target. Nothing else is trading, guys. We're still holding this zone. Somebody, let me just see here. What's the low of the day? 44.75, right there. That's the low of the day. All right, 50 seconds left on this candle. And we're going to get a new 5-minute bar. It cannot find any buyers, but the selling is negligible. Previous 3-minute bar, we had 12 net sellers. This current 3-minute bar, we have 15. Now we have some net buying. Boring. Boy, that NASDAQ was literally, that 450 level was literally, that's where it's going, 86. I would try this long above 76.50. Missed it. 76.50. I think that's where this pops up. Long. Target filled. Both targets filled. This account's up 610. Booyah. Booey, booey, booyah. Done with this account. I have 2 accounts left to trade. You guys catch that trade? Done for the day. You know, this son of a bitch is blowing up now. I told you I don't like the shorts. Did you catch the trade though, Andrew? Nice job, guys. Done for the day, most of you. Mark, tell me what I can do to help. Nice job, Brett. Okay, Earl. Tell me what I can do to help. I mean, I'm telling you guys where I would take the long. I was pending the long. I pended it on the screen and traded it on the screen. Tell me what I'm not doing. 912, 3912. Yeah, man, down to 3,900. I think we're going up, fellas. I think they just trapped a whole shit ton of shorts. Nice job, James, up 3,800 in the cash account. I think they just trapped a shit ton of shorts. Look, here's what I'm looking at, right? Let me just show you what I'm looking at. Yeah, I missed it on the initial push, but regardless of the fact that I missed it, I gave you a trade. My job and obligation is to make you money, not trade my freaking accounts, right? I can do that on my own. So when I tell you above 76.5, I think was the number, that's your entry. You guys should be paying attention and disregarding what I'm doing. It then pulled back about 4 or 5 handles, which would have come nowhere near your stop. And that enabled me then to get a pending trade on the screen at 76.50, which then went to both targets. So it's not a question of ES got target. ES just got 2 targets on the bot, guys. It's frozen. It isn't an issue of me missing a trade. Regardless of if I get the trade or not, it's still a trade for you guys. But it pulled back and gave me my entry. Hit your daily goal. Nice job, Rich. All right, guys. So here's what I'm looking at when we're down on the bottom, right? And I'm trying to ascertain. I'm attempting to ascertain, are we going to break down? So this is our down move. Strong sellers. I mean, prior to 9:45, we had net buying for 12 minutes, small selling, big net buyer, small selling, and then we get this jam it down your throat pullback, right? So now they want to go run stops. Then we get a 95 block, a 245 block, which is nothing significant, and a 12 block. We are not selling off on 12 net sellers. You understand? We are not selling off on 12 net sellers. So now they've got shorts trapped all down here. Longs are trapped as well from the up move, but shorts are now trapped down in here. Anybody that jumped in, this is why I'm not a breakout trader. Anybody that jumped in down here is now sucking gas. We had 596 net buyers. This is a 3-minute bar. I'm watching order flow on a 5-minute bar, and I'm watching different time frames. But this is a 3-minute order flow bar. We had 596 and 263 buyers come in. So call it 900 contracts. I'm not saying they can't go in and reload it. Here's the ES trade. Just took this. ES is up 837.50 on the bot. I'm not saying they can't reload it. So this is resistance. Support is all the way back here now at 65.5. So I have to build a base higher up, or else this comes right back down. Capiche? Capisci? Looks like we could come right back down to that support zone. Now that support zone has been tested more than once. I'm not thinking we want to go back and play with it again, but maybe. Whoop, I got to change accounts again, guys. Let me see here. I have one last account to trade. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts between 500 and 660. I have one account left to trade. I'm just changing the account, guys. I guess I've already traded that. I couldn't have traded that. No, I didn't. Okay. $292 for what? A short, Greg? We aren't. I don't think we're getting anywhere near that. You'd like to try what instead of the 15 range? I'm not. There's a YM trade on the bot. I've got a 39.45 and another ES trade. I've got a 39.45 ES target, which is where I think we're going. Come on, YM. Don't be a chump. NASDAQ gets back above VWAP. We're going to trade back to 412.75. No, it's after 10 o'clock, so that's no longer valid. Let me look at a 240 real quick, guys. 240 minute. Yeah, it's still valid. 413 quarter. It's still valid. ES is going up, guys. I'm not interested in a short. We're building a flag down here. NASDAQ could come back to 70. The earliest I have support on the NASDAQ is 64.50. Boy, YM is never does this. Fed's Collins sees rates peaking just above 5%. Thank you, Ed. We're still going up. Not necessarily, Michael. Different stocks in the sector. Yeah, Yellen is yakking. I'm listening to it. 5-minute resistance here. No trades, guys. Just sit tight. Getting a second signal, or trying to get a second signal on the ES. Let me see what else I've got, guys, here. YM is trying to go long on the hourlies. YM is long. YM is long if you trade it. 238. ES got target 1 after that pullback, and that's it. YM is long. NASDAQ failed VWAP with a small negative delta of 800 contracts. I think ES is going to get to 39.45. They're going to hurt the shorts and then later maybe pull up. Let me look at it daily. ES came right into the confluence. Its 21-day and 100-day moving averages are kissing. It came right to that confluence of the 100 and the 21-day and has bounced. I changed it working with a TD Renko, as I said 2 days ago. Gold, I still like longs to 24.5. Natural gas, forget about it. SPX, I still like that gap fill. It's holding the turning line on the daily chart, on the daily cloud. I would try an 87, call it an 88 long on a pullback. I don't know if we can get it. All right. NASDAQ went long on the bot. No, I'm not going to get that pullback. Come on, NASDAQ. Good God, man. Now I would try a 96 long. Call it 97. I don't think I'm going to get that either. NASDAQ target 1 on the bot. Another stupid target 1. That's all it's getting is target 1s today. We're going to trade up to 425. We're going to have to get cleanly through VWAP, and I will take the long. What does that mean? That means I need a full candle close. At least I got to get above 411 here. ES is pushing. All right, so we held about that 91. You got 595 on one account. Nice job. Nice job, Brett. All right, guys. I'll try this 91. I'll try 91. Let's call it 92. No bueno. Not going to give it to me. Oh, maybe it does. I close that trade. I have no pending trade, just in case you guys are not paying attention. I have no pending trade. Still really holding that. So I got 5 minutes. We've got some down here, 74 up to 77. YM is short on the bot, guys. I don't think we're coming down. Maybe. There's not many sellers here. No. There are not many sellers. YM got both targets. Now they just bashed it. If Yellen is speaking, I hear nothing. They just bashed it. Anybody know if Yellen is still speaking? If we get a candle close here below the 2-minute cloud, we're going to get a short. I don't have it yet. I have nothing on ES. I have nothing on crude. I've got nothing on natural gas. Come on, when does this candle close? Jesus, 28 seconds? No. It's this current candle. We're back into this. We're back up to 1,600 net sellers with 800 that came in the last 6 minutes. Nice job, Michael. From order flow class. Gold looks good. Yeah, you was from an order flow class. Man, we're still holding this damn buy zone. Guys, I don't think they're going to sell this off. I think they keep pulling shorts and then they're. You mean an M pattern, an M break. A W is a long. She's saying no recession, huh? Okay, Spanky. Whatever you say. Listen, that's right up there with Yellen and the rest of those idiots saying that don't worry, inflation is transitory. Not one of them knows what the hell and if they do know, they don't say anything. Yeah, exactly. Or you buy $5 dozen eggs. No, I think they know. I think they're perfectly aware of what's going on. I don't think. These people are all way too damn smart not to know what's going on. I mean, we're not dealing with people that are uneducated or ignorant people. They just don't tell the American populace. They don't want to tell people we're headed into a recession. You should probably save your money. You shouldn't go out and buy that new car. You probably shouldn't go out and do some things that you'd like to do because things are going to get bad. They don't want to tell anybody that. What they want you to do is have no money, no savings, and then we go into a recession, and then you're completely screwed. And guess what? Who do you rely on then? The government. Okay, don't worry. We'll bail you out. We'll vote ourselves a $100,000 annual pay raise, and we're going to send you $2,500. Not to worry. We're going to cover it. We're going to go to government subsidized housing. If you can't afford to live, we'll take care of you. By the way, we're from the Democratic Party, and we're here to help. And you should vote for us in the next election because we'll keep bread in your table. Absolutely. Absolutely. 100%. That's what I believe. Some people may be sitting in the room chuckling saying you're an idiot. Maybe that's true. But you cannot tell me that these people that are all, in this financial sector, all highly educated people don't know where we're headed. You can't tell me that. That would be an impossibility. Because if they don't know, or if they're saying we're not going into a recession and we do, I would say they look like idiots. Wouldn't you? Then you got to say to yourselves, what are we paying you for? We're in a recession. How did you not see that coming? buyers again. All right, guys. I got to get above VWAP again, fellas. We've turned up here. We're going long. We get above VWAP, this line here. I'll be long at 12. ES is blowing 2. Let me see what that is, 13. Got to get above 16. 16 half long. Failed the 240. 800 buyers in the previous 3-minute bar. Well, they do create the mess, Tommy, but I'm not convinced they actually fix the mess. Okay, long. Seriously? You rat bag? Come on, push up. Close the trade. I closed the trade, guys. I'll take it again, but I closed the trade. Didn't go. I still think it's going to go. SEC is formally charging Bankman-Fried with fraud. Well, it's not in their best interest to fix anything, is it? I still like the long, guys. $800 buyers came in on the last 3-minute block. We've got 180, 200 on this. Exactly. Why would they want the sheep to get smart? It's just a game. Listen, and I'm not bashing Democrats because I'll bash Republicans too because they're not any better, and not any of them care a rat's ass about any of us. See what this looks like on a bigger time frame. Yeah, 10 minutes are still short. Can't get above VWAP. Hourlies are still hanging in there. Looks like we could. There's a short here at 84. I don't think. So they sold back half. There you go, Bill Clinton. Slick Willie. I like Bill Clinton in the second term. I know somebody's going to shoot me for that comment, but I liked Bill Clinton. Second term, he was a moderate. There'll never be another Ronnie Reagan, though. I did, Doug. I did. I did. You got anybody took that 84, you got targets, right? You guys get targets? You got targets if you took the trade. Did you hit 84? There's 84. 79. It may have missed by one target or one tick. It's still coming down. You're going to get your targets. It's coming down. Come on, dog. Come on. Small-ish sellers. 30 seconds this comes down. 30. There it is. You got targets now. Target 1 filled and target 2. You guys should have your targets. Yes? God dang it. Come on. You should have targets. Or you, unless you're holding. Yeah, that's fine, Doug. That's absolutely. We're getting a little on the slow side. You never let it go to a stop out. We always go to break even. We have a YM short. YM is getting beat up to hell today. It's not, and NASDAQ isn't making any money today. NASDAQ's down 145. I've shut ES off up 925. I don't run crude or natural gas on inventory day. There's the breakdown. Oh, okay. So you didn't get stopped out. You're out and even. Okay. I just want to make sure you didn't somehow give back 50 ticks on the runner. So basically all that's going on here, guys, after yesterday's. Yeah, okay. Exactly right, Jack. After yesterday's fairly significant down move, we're chopping around. Come on, get first target at least, you dingbat. Missed first target by a few ticks. I mean, they're selling the NASDAQ, but we're only at 1,300 net sellers. I strongly believe that they're going to jam this thing up later. I really, really think so. So I have a confession and a conundrum here. On this account here, I'm up 445, and I did the trade. I took the same 84 trade as you guys, but I did it with 8 contracts. I was down, so I'm at 445, which is in that $400 to $500 range for me. So the conundrum is, do I take another trade to get it over $500? If I'm going to do a size trade, I'm never going to do it on the screen because I don't want anybody following me. Because if I blow it up, I blow it up. I don't care. Wonder if I can. This is just chop here on this bot. I have no other bot trades. Oh, ES is, or NASDAQ is just shorted. Be nice to get 2 targets here instead of 1. Got target 1 on YM and NASDAQ. Target 2 on YM and NASDAQ. All right, so NASDAQ bot is now finally green, up 170. And YM has clawed back to down 145. And we still haven't gone anywhere. We have not gone anywhere. Here's your support. If I were paying attention, I'd have been long here at 64. ES holding this major support zone from this candle breakout here. But the back test is all the way down here at 75. This is all consolidation here. This is SPY on a 5-minute. This is consolidation. Same thing with SPX. I would be very leery of wanting to be short. I prefer the longs. NASDAQ is same thing, garbage. Q's, similar look, holding hourly support at 275. Gold broke out. Natural gas doesn't know who its mother is. And crude still basically fighting. Today is the first day I did not have lag, and or a frozen DOM, and I don't know why. I mean, all week I've been having problems. I didn't do anything differently. Maybe Apex fixed it. I don't know. They never responded. If they responded to my email, it would be this morning. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll be right. I'm going to have to start addressing you guys that are funded. If you guys have funded accounts, if you've been funded this week, email me and let me know. And I'll send you an email. We're going to trade funded accounts differently. I'm going to try a 56. I don't know if it gets there, but I'll try a 56 long. Pending 56. And it comes to 57. It's not 4-hour support. It's 60-minute. And I missed it by 1 freaking point. Look at this bounce. You rat bag. Missed it by 4 ticks. Still, we're just chopping in this small range, guys. I mean, this is really ugly. I hate multiple touches of support, but it is holding this zone. It did it again. The 56 would have worked. All right, guys. It's trying to press down here. Sellers just can't get enough oomph. We're up to 1,800. Eventually, they're going to break this. This is actually no longer support. Let me get that out of there. Move this to here. This is the two little crappy zones we're trading in. Looky here. I'm going to try a short at 70, 80. We can go to 90. No, crude inventory has no effect on natural gas. I'm going to try a 90 short. I'm pending short 90. We may not get there. I mean, we just can't get out of here. Trading on a 5-minute chart, I'll tell you, is a lot of work. It's easier to trade on 15 minutes. All right, here comes that. I'm pending at 90. No, what did we hit? 87? Cancel that. Canceled. That's now support, no longer resistance. I may just hit market, guys, on a short, so pay attention. Well, I mean, the ranges are just really crappy. We had that nice move, couple of nice moves, down, and now we're trading, just in the lower end of this range. If this fails, we can come back to 65, 66. Net buyers for the last 9 minutes. Back down to 1,300. I mean, they're not selling them. There are not sellers in here aggressively. She's a little sloppy. I was hoping the YM would get one more trade and go positive. Everything is green except the YM, guys. It's another good bot day. Started out atrocious. There's a bot long on the NASDAQ. Come on, get that first. Got it. Get it. Oh, get it. Come on, boy. Another first target. God, it's been first target all day. Come on. Push it. Got it. All right. I'll take the 490 for the day and call it on the NASDAQ. Christmas, man. Seriously. I'm going to hit, if we get up a little bit higher, I'm going to hit sell market. All right, I'm going to short. There is a zone in, that's not what I wanted. This zone, I think, will end it. I don't know if we can get there, though. Small buyers, small sellers. You guys with order flow, check it out. Nothing of any, nothing. Maybe they got us bring it lower one more time. All right. So I may try a 65. 65 long. 65 long. Nope. It freaking bounces. Here it comes. All right. Long 65. Come on. Come on, you rat bag. Let's go. Go get that Target. Get ready to kill this trade, guys, with a small loss. Come on, NASDAQ. Go, son. Go, son. Go, son. Go, son. Go, my man. My man. My man. I will scalp with, close it. Kill it. Close it. I will scalp with the best of them. You guys good? You guys good? Got target one. Nice. Fellas, it is 10:44. I have traded all of my Apex accounts to profitability. Here are my totals on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts that I am playing with. Plus 610, plus 585, plus 617.50, plus 660, plus 500 on the button. 5 accounts, all green. I'm done. Now he wants me to show him. Okay. Well, here's one at 585. Let's see here. Here's your 610. Wait a minute. Do I have an account I can trade? I'm frozen now. I may have an account I can. Oh, I do have an account I can trade. What number is this? 9. 665. And then number 10. Here's the 500. Where's my, I got one at 617, and I don't know where it is. 610, 585, got that. I don't believe that this is, no, that's not it. I do have another account I can trade. God. I have another Apex account. This has to pull back now above 56. That's its resistance. I'm going to be out of this in a second here, guys. This is on the cusp of breaking down. All right, I'm out. This may yet. We put in a lower low. So we have a new day low. And now it pulls up. That's your resistance, 66. No buyers here, guys. They're just reloading it, I think, for a breakdown. Get back above this hourly, and this can pop back up to 60, 61 to 66. Get a small time frame. This pulls back, guys, into 55 to 60. If you guys want to try a short, 56. You can try a short at 56. If you guys have made your money, it's kind of getting to be that time. No, Phil, didn't get there. Did not get there. Still didn't get there. Didn't get there. Tried twice. You can try it at 53.50, 54 if you want. Whoop. 54. Nope, broke. It's going to break down, I think, guys. I need to sell the pullback. Maybe a 54. I'm pending at 54, but still won't fill. God dang it. Just missed it, guys. God dang it. We'd have just crushed that. On the 3-minute bar, I still 53. There's 54. I mean, there's that 53 to 54 is the number, guys. Is what I see, unless this thing completely busts down, which it just does not look like it wants to bust down. They're sellers, but they're small. 53 to 54. There it goes. No, I still don't think this is ready to bust out. Two minutes left in this 5-minute bar. This is the area for a long down at 35 if it gets there. All right, got both targets here, guys. From down to up. I did another size trade. 54 is the way it is. 54. What do we have left in the bar? Minute and 4 seconds. You can try a 51, 52 again, same area. I didn't get it. Same area. But we want to look at if it's not going to pull back. New bar, 13 seconds, guys. Let's just wait and see what we get on the next bar. Nope, broke down. This is the spot to try along. See if we bounce. We're not. Nope, breaking down now. I need a pullback, guys. On this candle, so we've moved down to here. I would look, let me get rid of this. I would look for a short somewhere back up around 39.40. I don't know. It looks like a straight capitulation now. All right, that was an MNQ trade. Let's see here. All right, see if I can get a pullback. I'm not selling bottoms, guys. Let me just hang on, guys. Let me just take a look at this chart for a second. All right, this is a spot potentially for a long. I'm going to try a long here right off the bottom, 21. I mean, this is a knife catch, right? With a whole shit ton of sellers. So if you guys are a little bit anxious, don't do it. This is a knife catch. And it would have worked. God dang it, and I missed the trade. Shoot. Canceled it. We're not going to give up that level so easily. I'm just telling you, we're not. Greg, what was your number? 329? Oh, on natural gas. I thought it was NASDAQ. Okay, so you're short 329. All right, guys, this is 5 minute here. 3 minute resistance is 47. I'm going to try a short in here. 32. Got one. Oh, hit me and didn't fill me. Are you kidding me? You rat bastard. All right, now you can pay me more. How's that? Out. Here comes crude inventory. So I want to short it somewhere around 31, 34 again. There's 34. 35, I'm shorting again. Short 35. And I will add in on this on any push. There are buyers here up to 47. Okay? So 35, 41, and 47. I'll have 6 on. Now we're holding this support here. I got to break back down below 35. And if this gets target, this is the last Apex account I have for the day. This is it. I didn't know I had another one. Okay. I have 4 contracts on. Closed it. Closed it. My bots are off. I'll do bot totals in a second. So this one is now at 475. I'll give you my totals momentarily. I'm going to scalp this short, guys, at 36 and a quarter. No, 40, 40. I'm filled. Filled. Come on, you rat bastard. Give me those ticks. Give me those ticks. Give me those ticks. All right, closed it. 470. Small sellers, 18 in here. This is resistance though, guys, right here. 42.50. I'll try that. 42.50. And then 47.50. It's not going to give it to me. All right, it's 11 o'clock. Everybody good? This account will finish up plus 470. Here are my totals, guys. 610 up, 585 up, 470 up, 665 up, and 500 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just verify. 610. Where is that? The hell number is that? Yeah, got it. 585. Got it. I don't think this can. Nope, that's nothing. Dead account. Oh no. 470. Got it. $665. Got it. And 500. Got it. Green all the way around, Joe. Nice job, guys. Let me do bot trades, fellas. I'll give you bot totals. Here are my bot totals. ES up 925. NASDAQ up 490. YM down 145. Natural gas up 150. And crude up 230. So a strong day after a fairly harsh start with the early chop. Anybody have any questions, guys? Remember, today is the last day. I'm not trading tomorrow morning. I'll, of course, be in the room at 1 o'clock today, but I am not trading in the morning. I'll be gone. Any questions? Trial members, anybody? If you guys are here on trial, I hope you've enjoyed the first few days. I guarantee you will not find a room that will identify levels. No, it's not. You will not find a room that can identify levels or will trade in full view. I don't care if it's a live account, an Apex account, or for that matter, a SIM account. They won't do it. And I want to tell you something. Talking you guys through as I'm trading is not the easiest thing in the world. And there's a reason these other rooms don't do it. They can't. They cannot trade. I hope you're enjoying the week. I will see all of my trials next week. No, I am not normally off on Fridays. I will be completely honest with you guys because I don't lie. I am going fishing tomorrow and Saturday. Tomorrow I'll be fishing for trout. Saturday I'll be fly fishing for muskie in Virginia. And the only reason I'm doing this is my wife is having surgery next Wednesday, as you guys know, and I will not be able to do any fishing for a fair amount of time until she's at least able to drive a car, which is probably 6 weeks. So I apologize for any inconvenience for any of you guys, but I'm hanging the gone fishing, guys. Man, send me some stone crabs or Maryland blue crabs. I'll take them each. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's what they say. Fish at 10,000 casts. I'm going to be honest with you, Jack. I've never caught one. I don't expect to catch a muskie Saturday morning or Saturday either. But anybody here that may live in Virginia,